Hello friends, hope so you're doing good, and in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can solve sound problem or speaker not working problem in your OnePlus Nord N300. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new in this channel. So to fix sound problem in your OnePlus Nord N300, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings and just do the same as I'm showing you in this video tutorial.